Namaskar everyone. Innovative Noble, it's me Kavita Gurung, basic level coordinator as well as social teacher also. First of all, I will request our parents and viewers, please subscribe our YouTube channel, like, comment and more share, and please don't forget the bell icon. Okay, first of all, I will go for class 1. The subject is care of our things. First, I will introduce, everyone know that the care of our things, we not care our things at home, we also care our things anywhere. Now, what are the things are there? The belongings are like we can use our home and as well as our school. First, I will give the introduction. We use many things in our everyday life. We need to use to carefully. It is a good habit to use things safely and carefully. If we take care of things, they remain safe for a long time. That means if we care our belongings, we care of our things, we can use for a long time. Second, how can we care of our things at home? First, we brush our teeth twice a day. Everyone know that we brush our teeth twice a day. So, we put our brush and toothpaste in a wash rag. And the second point is we take a bath daily. After bath, we put a towel, soap and bucket, etc. in the bathroom and keep these things in a dry place. Yes, after we use our bathroom materials like soap, towel, bucket, after we can use, we can take in a dry place because it's spoiled, it makes us spoil. Now, the point 3, we have a books. Everyone, the students read the books. We have book and note. We put them in a bookshelf and book rack. First, we can use our books and copies. After we can read and write, and then we can take in a book rack and safe place. Fourth point is we also use pencil, eraser, sharpeners, crayons, etc. Before leaving school, we keep these materials in a bag. Yes, we can use our pencil, eraser, sharpeners, crayons. We can before leaving the school, we can put in our bag because the bag is the safe place of these things. We don't waste this material because we can use for wisely and for a long time. Now, the point is 5. We put our clothes in a wardrobe or in a cupboard. Yes, everyone like to wear neat and clean clothes. We can pressed clothes and we can use clean and safe clothes. So we can save our clothes. We can put in a wardrobes and cupboard board. 6 point. We put our toys in a toy box. Yes, the safe place of toys is we can play with the toys. So we can put in a toy box. Now, the 7 points is we put our shoes, polish and shoes brush in a shoe rack. We can wear the shoes and we can if we go to school, firstly we can use to brush to polish our shoes. So after now we are going to point 6. We put our toys in a toy box. Yes, after we can use the toys, we can play with the toys, and after then we can take in a same place, take in a safe place, that is toy box. Point 7, we put our shoes polish and shoe brush in a shoe rack. Yes, we can use shoes before going to school. We can brush our shoes with using polish, and after we came to home, we can take our shoes in a shoe rack. That is the place of shoes. So it's good for good habit to take our things in a right place. We put waste material in a dustbin. We can throw our waste material came from our home. We can use to throw in a dustbin. The all of points is our came from in a good habit. It's all of things are good habit. And the conclusion is we have many things at our home. We use them in a right way. The all of things we can use our home, we can use them a right way and a kind wise and wisely, because otherwise it may be not used for a long time. So we must care our things for their safe and durable use. Thank you. Now now the students note your homework. Class 1. The homework is this. First question is match the following things with their right place to put in. The first is book, second is brush, third is clothes, and D point is waste materials, and E point is toys. You can match their opposite things. You can match them and where we kept in. Now second question is write the names of things that are used inside and outside our home. What things you can use at home, and what things you can use at outside of your home. You can write their name. Only you can write their names. For example, the things used inside your home like chair, dustbin, table, pencil, eraser, etc. And the outside of the second things used outside at your home. I will give the example like broom, mop, your shoe rack, etc. You can write their name, whatever you can use at outside your home. Thank you. The class 1 will finish. Now we are going to class 2.